This is my 2005 530i, and what I've started here is the oil pump housing job, and there's a few good videos on YouTube on how to do it. That blue tape there is the port that the housing attaches to. I just have it taped off because I was degreasing it. But this video really is just more of an informational video. I've been chasing a vacuum leak for a long time, and I narrowed it down to a hose that runs to the crankcase valve. But the tough part is it's under the intake manifold. And so I've been dreading doing that, but I watched a video on that, and that's actually not too horrible either. But if you do this, if you happen to have to do this oil housing job, which eventually you will, that they always leak, once you have this out like it is right now, it's removed, you can actually get to, you can even get to the whole valve, but in my case, it was just this one hose here. And this hose runs from the crankcase valve, which is right under here, and it runs down to the dipstick tube, which is right there. I have the new one hooked up right over here, but it was really easy to get to. I mean, you may have to replace the whole valve, and there's several other hoses, but in my case, it was just this one hose, and this saved me a lot of work. And basically, it was pretty obvious what's wrong with mine. It was broken underneath there. And it took me a while to find this guy. But anyways, just thought I'd throw that out there. It might save somebody else a lot of time and effort. All right. Thank you very much.